hearing a plea against Delhi High Court's order to stay the release of the controversial film Udaipur Files. The Supreme Court has refused to overrule that order. In short, the release of the film is still stayed. The Apex Court will now wait for the centre to review the film first. A bench, led by Justice Suryakant, said the right to life under Article 21 takes precedence over the right to free speech under Article 19. The court asked all parties to present their views to the government-appointed statutory committee, which has been tasked with reviewing the matter urgently. Quote, "We will wait for the government's viewpoint. Let the committee make its decision without delay," Justice Kant remarked. The film Udaipur Files, which was previously titled Gyanvapi Files according to the petitioner's advocate, is said to be based on the murder of Udaipur tailor Kanhaiya Lal. Petitioners argue that the film amounts to hate speech against a specific community. The crux of the matter is the petitioner, on behalf of the accused, demand the stay of the release as it would interfere in his fair trial. It would also form opinions about sub judice matters such as the Gyanvapi Masjid case and the Udaipur killing case. Senior advocate Kapil Sibal, representing the petitioners, told the court, "This is the worst form of hate speech against one community." He also informed the bench that the centre was scheduled to consider the matter for later that afternoon at 2:30 p.m. He further went on to the film's excessive violence and hatred against one community and being hate-filled and biased portrayal. On the other side, advocate Gaurav Bhatia, appearing for the filmmakers, challenged the Delhi High Court's interim stay to the film's release. He argued that the stay was imposed just 12 hours before the scheduled screening, despite the top court previously denying an urgent hearing on the matter. Quote, "The Delhi High Court did not go into the merits," Bhatia submitted, noting that the film had received CBFC certification for public release on June 20th, with the trailer certified on 2nd July. Justice Kant clarified that the Delhi High Court was aware of the legal framework and has asked all lawyers to view the film before issuing the stay. Quote, "It did not go into the merits as it is believed the centre should make that call first," unquote. The Delhi High Court had stayed the film's release till Monday, highlighting that the producers had released an uncertified teaser, which included scenes that were later removed from the film's final version. The film remains under suspension until further notice from the court or a decision from the government panel, and the hearing will reconvene on Monday.